Hi and Assalamualaikum to Madam Zakia. So this is LAX2019 DIY Group 11. So actually we have 10 members in this group. So unfortunately, one of our group members can attend because she have an emergency, and we will include their name in the submission form. So I will put as a reference their emergency letter. So today we will discuss on our first video, and we will divide into a pair. So we have 10. So we'll divide into 5 team, and we will discuss about what we will do. So have you guys decide? So you can introduce yourself first. I forget to introduce my name. My name is Muhammad Nur Azisham bin Azman. My metric number is 199407. I'm from Faculty of Engineering.
My name is Anastasia Bajut Anak Samai. My metric number is 199304. I'm from Faculty of Engineering.
My name is Muhammad bin Azhar. My metric number is 189377. I'm from Faculty of Environmental Study.
Okay. Hi, my name is Nurfil Diana. My metric number is 199396, and I am from Engineering Faculty.
Hi, my name is Kelvin, New York, 199402. I am also from Engineering Faculty. Okay, thank you.
My name is Zhang Jiayi. You can call me Eureka. My metric number 209004.
My name is Zhou Bingye, and my metric number is 208644.
Okay, my name is Nurdini Batrisha binti Zuhari. My matrix number is 200439. I'm from Faculty of Food Science and Technology.
Hello.
Hello,
my name is Nur Zagrit Ahmad. My matrix number is 202956.
Okay. So we need to divide into a few members. Into a few groups. So we have 10 members. So we divide into 2 in each group. So can we have you guys decide your pair for this LAX?
Yes.
So for example,
Yes.
I will be pairing with Kelvin. And you, how about you, Adib and others?
I think I'm with Zhou Bingyan. So we play together.
Okay, I will be paired with Zakia.
Me with Anastasia.
And how about you, Jia Yi Zhang? And
I'm with Duan Yuting, but today she cannot enjoy meeting. Yeah, she go to hospital.
Okay, she have an emergency, right? So you will represent. Okay. So we can start with you, Adib. With your pair. So what you want to do for?
So after discuss with Zhou Bingyan, so we decide to do plastic spoon lamp, which is we think that's a good thing to be which is we can do for every level age, from the children, student, or all this. So we decide to do the plastic spoon lamp. And you continue, Zhou Bingyan.
Yeah. we prepare to make lamp.
Okay.
So we decided.
So, what kind of material that you will use for?
Oh, for the material, we use a plastic spoon as the main material. Then um, for the other materials, we can use a can or bottles. And for the glue, we will use glue guns. So to make it together. Then for the material also can use the new or the recycle material lah.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Sounds good. Project. Interesting project. So, anyone have a question to Adib or Zobingyan regarding to his and her project?
No.
Calvin, do you have any question?
Okay, maybe I want to ask, but maybe does it have any cost to do the project or just use recycle items?
We have a few new materials. This is a glue stick, right? Glue stick is we cannot use the recycled glue stick, which is we must buy. So I think that's all. Or maybe some spray or color to make it more interesting. Then other material we can just use recycle material lah, which is no money to buy it. Okay.
Okay,
What
thank
about you,
you. Very good.
Zobingyan?
Do you want to add any information about your project, Zobingyan?
No, I just about he says.
It's okay, it's okay. Maybe we need to move to another suggestion.
So maybe Firdiana seems like very excited to tell what she will do.
Yeah.
Okay, Firdiana, what you do for your DIY project with your pair? Oh, so you pair with Anastasia,
so
right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So both of us have choose bookmark. Do you know bookmark? Do all of you know what is bookmark?
Yes, no.
Yo, bookmarks. Okay, we know.
But I think you have a special bookmark, right, Firdiana?
Of course, everyone has their own special bookmark. Okay. The reason why we choose bookmark because it's very easy to do, and then the material was very easy to find, and you can only do the bookmark with only one material by only just using paper.
Anna?
Okay. Anna, what do you think?
For this LAX, since our title is the DIY, do it yourself, so we choose the very simple one to make, which is bookmark. And for sure, as a student, we will use this bookmark every time to mark our last reading, to mark the important point in a book. So what else is decide to do this bookmark? We just use a piece of paper, and for the next video, we will present an origami bookmarks maybe.
Eureka, you want to ask something? Seems like you are very excited here from Anastasia and Firdiana.
Yeah.
Maybe you can ask regarding what kinds of material, maybe from recycled paper they will use, or you can ask that thing, maybe. Or maybe she have a internet connection problem. So Zakia, do you have any question to Firdana or Anastasia?
Is it the bookmark is a bigger or the smaller, or can use any books can use the bookmarks?
You mean
can
the
use
shape of
for
the bookmark?
Yeah,
The
Zakia
size.
means the size.
The
Maybe
size.
we have
Size, yeah.
different types of books. For example, we have A3 size, maybe A4 size, and B5 size.
done
So
one bookmark.
oh, you
Try this one.
Or the smaller.
Yes, it's
Okay.
just smaller. You can use it for the corner of your book. This is an origami book.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can do it
But
on your own preference.
Yes.
Okay.
is it
You can make it big, you can
So,
make it small.
so the bookmarks is easy to bring the anywhere.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, Adib.
so do you focus
Easy to
on the
bring
origami?
anywhere.
Firdana, Adib has a question to ask.
No.
No, I mean Adib.
Yeah.
Adib want to ask something.
So do you focus on the origami bookmark or what?
We can.
Oh no, we made different kind of bookmark. Like Anna, she do origami, and me do the typical one, the rectangular one.
Okay.
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 So maybe it's Anna and Firdana's project is very general. So maybe you want to do many things about bookmarks that are related to origami, or bookmarks that formal bookmarks are, for example. So Dini, do you have any question to ask? Dini, are you okay? You need to unmute your microphone because we can't hear anything. Okay, good. Dini, unmute your mic.
And unmute your voice. Not here.
I had okay.
Okay.
Can you my okay? So I just want to add another idea for this bookmark. Maybe to make it be more active, you can innovate the tissue maybe, or with my tissue with the color, so that it can be one of the things to make the book more interesting.
Oh yeah.
I'm a create. So maybe that nice idea for both of you.
Oh, from
okay.
what
That is nice.
okay. Okay, Zo Bingyan, you have any question to ask Anastasia or Firdana regarding to his project or project?
No question.
No question. Okay.
Mm.
Okay, Kelvin.
Okay.
Or we move to another project for next project. So Zakia.
Next project.
Maybe Zakia.
Yeah. Zakia and Dini, right?
Zakia with
Yes.
Dini, right? Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
I and Dini will do a mini dustbin.
Exactly.
So the mini dustbin, we can put on the study table study. And then we use a material like a box, use box, gum, tape, and maybe we can decoration so to make the mini dustbin look more beautiful. Mimi,
Oh,
do you
you did
want
the
to add on?
Okay. So basically,
There
our
is
things, the material,
interesting.
the, okay.
Okay, Dini.
Okay. Okay. So, for our mini dustbin, we just using the material that is easy to find. Like you had present just now, mini dustbin using the and then we also just use the glue and other simple things that we can find it in our house, so it can be made by ourselves easily. So when we create these items help us to prevent our environment because we don't litter uh the rubbish everywhere.
Okay, sounds is a very good project because since we have a class, online class, so we will stay for a long time in our on table in my in room, for example. So we will throw away the rubbish anywhere, right? So we need the dustbin. So I think Dini, Batrisha, and Zakia projects is very good project since we are need to use that dustbin in inside the room, especially during this class, online class. So what do you think, Kelvin?
Yeah, I think the project also very interesting because it's just mentioned just now is a mini dustbin. So very interesting because also the items or the items to be used to make it is just easy to find, right, Tini and Zakia? Uh, so uh, so yeah, I really like it. And but I have one question. How about the bin? What item that you will use to make a bin? Maybe a paper or like a bottle.
You mean the main materials, Kelvin?
Yes, the main
Oh,
material.
the main material
Is
you
it
will use
is it
use
using
box.
Yes.
Paper box.
Using box.
What is it?
I think it's not clear. Can you repeat it? Zakia or Dini?
Okay, so basically the main item for our mini dustbin project is the paper useful box. We buy water bottles. So that box we use the paper box we can use, reuse, and recycle it to make the mini dustbin. Okay,
Yeah.
is it clear?
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay, understand.
Yes,
It's a
sorry.
good
thank you.
concept.
So who are coming? Huawei P3. I guess it is a G thing, right? Jia thing.
I'm not sure
So
with it.
I see there's one participant. So we have 10. I think this is a Jia thing, maybe. She's in hospital, right? So anyone, Adib, you have a question? Maybe.
Oh, I think I want to ask to Dini and Zakia. So in one item you use you create how much money you spend to it
Actually,
for
we did not
one for
spend.
one.
Oh, Mimi, Zakia. Actually, we did not spend any money because we use recycle material, recycle. What's what I say? We will recycle
recycle?
the product like we have at home like a slotted gum.
Okay,
Oh,
okay, understand.
distance. This is a used
You
product
can
lah.
hear what I say.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's clear.
it's very clear.
All right, thank you.
So maybe you think how you think? So hope it's going well.
Zhang or Zhu Bingyan, I think you need to speak more because in our instructor say at least in we need to talk 2 to 3 minutes per person in one video. Maybe you have some suggestion
Yeah.
on our project, our not our project but our discussion. Oh, we want to continue to Azisham and Kelvin Walk project DIY.
Okay, Kelvin, I start first. Later you will add.
Yeah.
Okay. So actually my pair for this DIY project, I'm paired with Kelvin. So what we do is we do a DIY, do it yourself pen holder. Since we are stay at home, we need a table and specific place. So I think we need to find our own pen holder. For example, the main material that we use is the plastic bottle. Uh, and we can use also paper towel, tissue roller, for example, from the paper, right? So basically, this is the material that we are used from the recycled material. And of course, we need another things, for example, solid tape, uh, glue gum, and other things. So Kelvin.
Yeah. So like what just Azisham said just now, we will make a DIY stationery holder actually. So by using main material is like a plastic bottle. So for me, this is very important because we have our online class for now. So I am the messy person. So my pen is everywhere on my table. So by doing this DIY project, we can put the pen only on one place. So it's easy to find when we need it, right? So the management lah. So our table will be clean and tidy. Do you guys agree with me?
Yes.
Yeah, sure, of course. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
To make our
place. It's not messy place, right? You mean like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Reduce our
Because
places.
during online class, our pen will always messy and hard for us to find.
So and another thing why we use the plastic bottle, for example, we will want to reduce the plastic impact. If we throw the plastic, we need 100 years to dispose the plastic. So we want to reduce the effect of plastic bottle lah, for example.
Reduce waste lah, yeah. Reduce waste.
So maybe this is a small effort, but I think if we use and implement this to all the people, if they watch our video in YouTube, so maybe they're interested to use this also. So maybe we need to move because we are run out of time. Maybe we need go to Zobing Jia Yizan, right? So what you do for your project?
Cover. We can use some old newspaper to make a book cover to protect the book from damage. We can also draw some favorite things on the book and add some stickers. Yeah.
Okay, it's a very interesting project. So, what's the main materials that you are used in your project?
All the newspaper. Yeah.
All the newspaper.
We can not spend money.
So maybe you just spend the money for your gum cost, right? For example.
Yeah, very.
Okay.
Solid tape.
Solid tape maybe. So maybe I did want to ask Zakia, Patricia, or Anastasia.
No, I think I'm not really clear about Zhejiang project. Can you repeat? Can you explain again what your project clearly? I'm not understanding. Is it cover book
Kenapa
cover
ya?
or what? Is it book cover or what?
Maybe okay.
It's okay. It's okay. You can
It likes
continue
clothes.
slowly.
Yeah. Make a clothes is books clothes. You know,
Oh,
books clothes.
Adib, what Jia Zhang means is before this we are used the plastic, transparent plastic, right, to cover our book.
Okay.
For example, like this,
Okay.
we use a plastic. So
Yeah.
what he mentioned, she mentioned is we use newspaper to cover our book. So we will
Oh,
use
okay.
the recycled paper. Is it right?
Need to cover our book in primary school, Sham.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Right. Okay, I understand what.
Okay. So since we are clear about our project, so maybe start from next week, or you guys want to add other things before we end our discussion?
For me, I think overall is clear for me, so I don't have any question for it.
Okay, since we are run of time,
I
maybe
want to ask
yes, Anna.
for the next presentation, is that for both pair to demo the project or only one?
Maybe you guys need to have your own project. Maybe you will show, but basically the project is same, right? But maybe Firdiana, for example, next week's you and Firdiana, right? We show your project. So what Firdiana do and Anastasia do, you will explain for 2 or 3 minutes for that of your project. So the another minutes, we will discuss in a group why you choose, why you what you should do for the next, for example, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah.
Yes, that's
Yes.
right.
Okay. So since we are very clear about our project and we already discussed, so we will end our discussion and see you on the next video. Thank you.
Right.
you.
Thank you,
Bye.
guys.
Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you,
Thank
everyone.
you.
Bye.
Thank you.
You.